Good morning and welcome to this demonstration video for the 5-minute setup for the euro dollar, and this is going to be part 1 of that demo video. And what I'm going to be discussing very quickly in this first part is something that you are going to need to be familiar with, and that is candlesticks. Okay, these are our candlesticks that we'll be using. You need to be familiar with the price points on each of these candles, the buy candle and the sell candle. If you are not familiar with this, please go and educate yourself before you go any further. This is just going to be a little basic introduction to these candlesticks, but you do need to be educated on these price points because that will be important throughout the video. So just for basic purposes, this is a buy candle. Our opening price starts here at the bottom portion of this body. Our close price is at the top portion of this body. Our low will be at the bottom of this wick, and sometimes it can be at the same opening price as the body. If this wick were not here, then our low would probably be at the same price of this open, or it could be a very small wick. Same way with the high price. Now if we move to our sell candle, you can see that there is a slight difference. The low point and the high point are the same. The difference is the opening price is at the top of our sell candle as compared to our buy candle where it's at the bottom. The same with the close. It is the exact reverse of our buy candle. So be very familiar with this and become very accustomed to this. It's very important. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull up the trading platform. We're going to go over a few examples on this chart here. And anywhere will be good. Let's blow this up as big as possible here. Okay, I'm going to start with our buy candle, our green candle here. For example, this candle here, this little wick will be our low, the very bottom of that wick. And if you look to the right corner of the screen here, I'm going to move the mouse over there, but the numbers will disappear. It will be right here. Let's see, right in this area are our price points. So for example, this candle here, all that information that's down in that right hand corner pertains to this candle. Now if I were to move this mouse to the next candle, you'll see those numbers will change. And that is starting from left to right where it says default. Then we'll have the date, we'll have the time, then we'll have an O. That's for opening, our opening price, which will be right here, the lower bottom part of this body. We have the high, which is going to be at the very tip of this wick. We have our low, which is the very bottom of this wick here, and then we have our close, which will be the top of this body. And as far as our sell candle, it is going to be exactly the same, only our opening and closing prices are reversed. Our high will be at the very tip of this wick, and this candle here, like I was mentioning earlier, the low price will be 069. If you look at that right hand corner, it matches the closing price. So those two will be the same, but we still have our opening here and our closing at the bottom as compared to our opening here on our green candle and our closing up top here. So please familiarize yourself with these price points on these candles. As I stated before, this is very important that you recognize this and know where they are. Alright, if you are not familiar with this, please go and educate yourself on these before you proceed any further. And when you have gotten to that point, please come back to the second part of the video.